Yo, what is up, everybody? BVF Collection back at it again with another unwrapping. Today's unwrapping is very special, guys. We have a 50-50 chance of getting one of the hoodies that we really wanted in this package. So it is extremely early. It is about like 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Freaking got these packages, got a very low chance. Well, not really, 50-50. We have a 50-50 to see if we got one half of the order correct. Okay, we got to get these items open because there's a sample in here that I need to know if it's one of these packages or not. Either way, it's gonna be a crazy unboxing. Let's get into it. This one's already kind of open, so let's do this one first. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys down for a second while I open this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the first thing. It's the first thing. It's the first thing. Oh my gosh. It's the first thing that I get. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's the first thing. It's the first thing. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. There it is. There it is. If you guys can't see, that is an outline. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a one-of-one sample outline kill hoodie. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. I'm over here going, it's a 50-50, it's a 50-50. And look, I open it first try. Yes! Yes! Okay. You know we gotta look at everything before that hand, though. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oh, okay, wow. So, yes, this is a one-of-one sample. This is a test print that Revenge made. Here we go. You can see some factory flaws right here. Right here. It's nice and puffy. It's like a grayish black, too, I can tell in person. Then we got, yep, puff print sleeve text. I gotta straighten this out. That's for dang sure. Hold up. Get this all nice and straight. All right, sorry guys for the black screen. Done. Just gonna get this sleeve text in here. Look at that. That is remarkable. Okay, then we gotta check out the tag. So literally everyone and their mama knows. This is a large made blank. Very cool. Very cool. And then, let me guess, no inside tag? Oh, we do got an inside tag. %100% cotton. We get the style and literally everything about it. Very cool. Very cool. Now, though, ladies and gentlemen, a moment of truth. The kill hand. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It's tiny. It's tiny compared to what I'm used to from this legacy drop. And it's perfect. Oh my god. It's everything I could ask for and more. It's such a small kill hand. I love it. I love the tiny kill hand. It's so clean too, no cracks, nothing. Oh my god. Freaking cheese. And I got it. I got it. It's mine. That's so sick. That's so cool. I can't get over that. Spending most of my time already on this one piece. Oh, it's so sick. This thing's so beautiful. Quality feels amazing. Oh, so happy. And you can just tell. You just tell. Oh, so good. Okay. All right. I don't even know. I can't even like put this off to the side. It's too awesome. Guys, give me one moment. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. You know, how to do what I had to do. Gotta hang it up. Get that thing nice and perfect wise so I can, you know, get into the rest of the unboxing. So I got two here. This looks like the bigger of the two, so I think I know what that one is. So we're gonna go ahead and do this one. Hopefully this is the Spider-Man. but this might also be up orange. We shall see, ladies and gentlemen. We shall see. I gotta put you guys down again. Give me one moment. Okay. Alright, I'm a little aggressive. I kind of got to where I wanted to be. Yep, this is what I thought it was. Okay, so after opening it up, it is an orange hoodie. So we got, this is actually a very interesting piece. This is basically an orange revenge blank. Move this inside real quick then. Yeah, this is basically an orange revenge blank. Like an orange kill hoodie, but just the blank. And you can see it's literally the blank. We got a medium. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. We got the tag on the inside. Very cool. Okay. Very cool. All right. Crap. Let's just set this off to the side. Well, let's look at the back real quick. There we go. There's the revenge, or the, not revenge. Yeah, basically a revenge blank. What they use for blanks, but it's a made blank hoodie. So basically, you can either think of it as a made blank hoodie or a revenge blank before they did anything with it. Anyways, regardless of what you think, the final attraction of today's unboxing. Actually, there's gonna be more today, but for this portion of the video, we got ourselves a hoodie. All right, gonna put you guys down again. You guys are gonna see orange this time. Be right back. Boom. And it's still black. Never mind. Give me 1 second. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is what I was thinking. This is the piece I was thinking. Are you guys ready? I don't think you're ready. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a, crap, all right, you know what? One of these. We have a pre-production black on black kill hoodie, ladies and gentlemen. A sample. Black kill hoodie. Black on black. You know, okay. Wow. That looks beautiful. It looks a lot grayer on camera. In person, it looks more black. But still, like, kind of gray. And we got the sleeve text. Let me straighten that out. Hold up. Okay, sleeve text right here. Very cool. Very nice puff print on the Revenge logo. Check out the tag. Again, this tells you it is a Revenge tag. It's on just the blank itself. That's very cool. Clean tag too. Got a lot of info about this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's soft. It's soft on the inside. Is that supposed to be soft? Is this supposed to be like that? I need to know if it's supposed to be like that. It is soft on the inside. It's soft on the inside. Is this supposed to be like that? I don't know. I don't know. And then we got the tag again, the blank tag. No revenge tag. But oh my gosh. It's soft. I need to try this on. This is a must try. Oh my gosh, but best for last, the kill hand. Here we go. Kill hand. Oh my god. It's beautiful. It's freaking gorgeous. Drop dead freaking gorgeous. Holy crap. Black on black Miami exclusive. Sample. Ridiculous. It's so good. Such great quality. With cheese. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did, because oh my gosh, it's so early in the morning, but worth it. So worth it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Have an amazing day. Later.